left your coat on my chair, lipstick stain on your glass, laughing loud in the kitchen like the night would never pass. You said you text when you're home, taxi lights on your face. Now your shadow's on my ceiling, every corner of this place.
So who takes the blame for every look we never named, all of the touch that never came? We were so close then we just stayed the same. Who takes the blame for every almost on your tongue, every beginning left undone? We danced around until the night was gone.
You call me up when you're bored, say you just wanna talk. Hacking your heels on your floorboards, you pacing holes in the clock. We trade our secrets in thirds, half the truth, half a joke. But your breath lingers on my shoulder in the spaces of your smoke.
So who takes the blame for every look we never named, all of the touch that never came? We were so close then we just stayed. So
Who takes the blame
for every almost on your tongue, every beginning left undone? We danced around until the night was gone. Maybe it's me staying safe in my lines. Maybe it's you always reading the signs. Maybe we love just a fraction too late, staring at doors that we never quite break. So
Who takes the blame
for every look we never named, all of the touch that never came? We were so close then we just stayed. So
Who takes the blame
for every almost on your tongue, every beginning left undone? We danced around until the night was gone.